Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how to download Grindr app in your iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your app store. Now you can see the search button on the top of the page. Click on it and enter the app name Grindr. You can see the app, and on the top left you can see the get button. Click on it. The app has already been downloaded and you can see the open option. Let's get back. Now you can see the Grindr app on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.